Okay, we are back with a new stream, and right now we are in a prison. As you can see, I am in a very weird place, like a Faraday cage. My internet is problematic, the service is not working. I'm in the weirdest part of the city. So how's it going, everybody? We're back. As you can see, I got my prison swag. I mean, I gotta just wear this thing in this prison, right? In case something goes wrong. So we're ready for everything. How's it going? Say hi in the chat if you're around. I don't know what the fuck we're doing, but we're back. How's it going? Gonna get some water. How's everything? The audio. I don't have my second monitor, so I don't know how the hell I'm gonna monitor the stream, but I guess we're just doing a low budget stream today, so whatever. Oh my god, it's freezing so much. I'm just watching myself and it's freezing like crazy. Great. Great. Dropping frames. Nice quality, like low budget. Hey Transistor, I'm just trying to make the stream happen, but there are some difficulties. But those are not really related to me, so what am I gonna do? Nothing. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna actually see the chat, because there's a huge ass monitor. I don't think this thing has a HDMI cable. I cannot really connect to it. I don't know, guys. How's it going? I'm just gonna read the chat from my browser. Italy, please get our boy some better. I mean, come on. Come on, I mean, I'm seeing my OBS and the dropped frames are like 7%. Like, what the hell is going on? And it might just cut off like sometime in the stream and then never come back. Like, what the hell? So yeah, let me get some music going on here. Play something. This one maybe. All right. I don't know what we're gonna do in the stream, but I have some ideas, mainly about prison themes, like, you know, push-ups and like, I don't know, the crunches. There's no pull-up thing over here, so I cannot do pull-ups. Maybe I can do pull-ups in the bathroom, guys, but it's a bit problematic. We're riding on the blade thin edge. Absolutely. 1 second, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try to move the chat over to here. All right, so now I can see the chat. Cool. All right, I'm gonna wait for some time. I don't know who will join in the stream. It's because it's a very weird one. I don't know if we're gonna do something productive today. Like, I have no idea. But I mean, look at this. Like, there's this thing over here, which is like, I don't know, dude. Like, and this, this thing, when I move it around, it makes like a screeching noise. Like, look at this. Hold on, I'm gonna just wake up all the people in the prison. But look at this. Look at this, bro. Bro, the whole fucking floor just wake up. Just wake up because of this. Is this a joke? Yeah, I don't need VPN for Discord here, but there's... Okay, I woke up at 9 and there was no internet, like nothing. No Wi-Fi. No data connection. So I was like looking at my phone. I was like, there's this the stop sign on the like top right on the status menu. Like, it means no service. Bro, where am I? What is this? The quietest chair in the whole Naples. It's probably like, I don't know, dude. This place is weird. I actually, okay, I'm gonna confess something. I actually looked at some plane tickets to go back, but then it's super fucking expensive. It's like $800 to just go back. Oh my god, I'm stuck here. I'm stuck here for some time, for a couple of days. God damn it. I guess YOLO. What am I gonna say? YOLO, just YOLO. So today I wanted to. I hope the stream will let me. This internet will let me just do something today. I'm just hoping for that. Let me actually check it on my phone. If this thing allows me to work on something, I want to write a parser, alright? I want to write a parser. Need a personal ratatui plane. Absolutely, man. We gotta get the jet, get the fuel, gotta fly back. You know what I'm saying? No, they won't even let you out. Man, Marco is just. Where are you, Marco? Where are you? Okay, I'm watching myself. It's not freezing. Okay, guys. One other thing. I have this light because the one that I have and back there is like, it's like fucking flashbang. Like, let me show it to you. Hold on. I'm gonna expose what I'm wearing, but oh shit! Shut the fuck up. 1 second. I'll be back. Oh wait, I have this Bluetooth thing. I don't need to. Okay, look at this. How do I open it? What is this? It's super bright. Is it better or not? Just let me know. If it's better, I'm gonna keep it on, but I cannot see anything. Like it's weird. It's weird. I don't like it. I don't like it. Also, for some reason you can also like there's this panel which you can like change the light and like set some settings, and there's a menu on there which is like I guess a panel where you can just enter and tweak the admin settings or whatever. I try to hack on it a little bit. I try to hack on it a little bit, but then I pressed something and there was just a it was in Italian, right? It's not in English, of course. And it said it showed like a man icon appear on the menu. So I guess I just called someone from downstairs to here with just pressing that, and then I just panicked and just pressed it again and it disappeared, luckily, and nobody came to the door. So this is not a hotel room, it's a hospital operating room. Man. Oh my god. There's one window which opens to nowhere. Like, there's nothing. If you open it, it's just a wall. Like, what am I supposed to see there? Nothing is that. It's fucking weird. Anyways. Rats have better night vision. Fly back on the Ratatouille Island where Ratatouille people huddle. Is there a Ratatouille Island? Oh man. I don't know if tomorrow morning I will have internet, but let's see. So guys, I want to write a parser in the stream, because why not? We're in a prison. What is better to do in prison? Just write a parser. God damn it. So there was one talk that I watched in the conference. It was about winnow. And just want to try it out a little bit, but the problem is I gave a lightning talk, and in the winnow talk I kind of missed some part because I was the same time working on my presentation, because I submitted the talk 2 hours before the talk, so it was you know, short notice. I gotta just grind. So I just did that and I kind of missed the winnow part. So I'm gonna actually take a look at winnow, and I want to use it for parsing some value in Arch Linux context. We're doing some dev tooling stuff, and I think I can try to create a parser for some things. I'm gonna show it to you. Hold on. 1 second. I'm gonna share my screen. As I said, I don't have a second monitor, so I'm basically going to share my whole screen. There you have it. I guess you can see it now. Hold on. Let me check on my phone. It's super hard when you don't have a second monitor. But whatever. I'm gonna make this thing work. I mean, if I'm streaming, even from prison, we can make this shit work. Hi, watching from university. Professor is teaching maths. Jesus, man. Why do you watch from university? Just focus on your lectures. I'm not doing something very... Okay, you know what? Fuck the lectures, man. Keep watching. Keep watching. We're gonna change the world with this stream. I'm gonna put my phone over there somewhere. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna manage this. So I have the chat open like this. Let me do it like live chat. I'm doing something like this. I don't know. I wish that this was transparent though. Can I do this? Community, no. I gotta figure out how to add the chat window on OBS. Oh wait, I need to make it like this so that it is not... Alright. Bro, I'm already done with the assignment because I'm pro at maths. Keep it up. This is now a disrupting students' future stream. Well, I was a student once. You know. I'm on a TV. Hell yeah, man. You're here. Alright, so now it should be good. Yeah, it should be good. I'm gonna make it a little bigger if possible. That's what I said. Hey from Mexico, software engineer here. Hey, what's up, Pro Asus? How's it going? Alright, I got the panel. Yeah, okay, all good. So guys, winnow, right? Winnow, winnow. Let's learn winnow. Oh my god, oh my god. No. Okay, dark reader on. Good. So winnow, yeah, winnow is a process by which chaff, what is chaff? Is separated from a grain. It also uses to remove pests from stored grain. Winnowing usually follows threshing in grain preparation. Bro, this is a... Alright, it's not even loading. Great. Come on, internet. We're dropping frames right now. Oh my god, it's 4... Alright, we're back. Sometimes it just drops for some reason. I don't know. But this is the point of the stream, right? We want to stream in the like the most like impossible circumstances. I'm gonna just arrange like this. All right. I'm the same with the dark mode. Yeah. So where do we start? Tutorial. Let's take a look at the tutorial. Table of contents. I like how the tutorial is on the create documentation. That's very nice. If I move this over to here, would I lose the position? No, I didn't. Okay, cool. You've reached your internal limit for today. Next traffic is rated at $5 per 50 megabytes. Yeah, I just feel like that. I mean, at this point, look at us. Introduction. But we're grinding in the most extreme circumstances, dude. Like with this internet, we're streaming, and like if I go outside, I'd probably get shot by someone. I'm not sure. So I entered the hotel and then I didn't really leave because it was dark outside. Anyways, this tutorial assumes that you are already familiar with Rust. Suspicious. Using winnow for the first time. Valid. So I think I'm good for the tutorial. The focus will be on parsing in memory. Once done, you might check. I cannot see the link. Special topics for more specialized topics or examples. Okay, no. I think I'm gonna go with the basics now. It's a parser combinator library. In other words, it gives you tools to define parsers, or functions that take an input and give back output, or combinators, or functions that make the parsers and combine them together. Alright, so combinator might be an unfamiliar word. You're likely using them in your Rust code today, like with the iterator trait. Oh, so when you chain commands, it is called combinator. Okay, let me check the internet. Alright, we're good. Actually, I might have another window where I just monitor some things. I don't know, how can I check my current internet connection? Gping. I'm gonna ping my website. Alright, 1 second, I'm gonna do it like every... Alright, that should be okay. So yeah, I sometimes go... It sometimes goes really bad, but anyways. Parser combinators are great because individual parser functions are small, focused on one thing, ignoring the rest. You can write tests on individual parsers. Alright, so chapter 1, let's go to chapter 1. The winnow way. First of all, we need to understand the way winnow thinks about parsing. The parser is returning an okay or error, like very much like a result type. But on success, it returns the process data. If parser failed, then there are multiple errors. Input, so takes the input, goes through a parser. It's either error or okay. So okay, that was pretty straightforward. Winnow uses the P result type. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so it kind of wraps the... It is very similar to the result type, but it contains the error inside. Yeah, okay, I can figure this out as I use it. To represent this data, this model of the world, you know, using the P. Okay. To combine parsers, we need a common way to refer to them, which is where parser is something. So what is the parser trait? Core trait for parsing. The simplest way of... Why am I reading things wrong? Like my eyes are really weird today. The simplest way to implement a parser is with a function that returns a P result. Oh, parse peak. Some basic types implement parser as well, including U8 and char. millisecond is super good. Show us your narration skills, some expression and charisma. What do you mean narration skills? I don't have any skills. I am barely reading right now because first of all the lighting is really bad and for some reason my internet is very weird. So yeah, when you have the parser implemented on some type, it returns the parse next. No, it can, you can call parse next on it or parse peak. And there's one method called void. Discards the output of the parser. Like, oh, okay, so these are the available. Oh my god, what is going on here? Jesus. Okay, I'm not gonna question it. Whatever. Let's write our first parser. Let's write a parser which does nothing. Sounds awesome. So we need to implement the parser trait. No surprise. Takes an input, returns a p result. Okay, let's actually do it. That's how you kill your compile time stun. Yeah, I guess that's just a macro or some sort, I don't know. It generates the long ass type thing. I don't know, I have no idea. Gonna just make this thing bigger. So cargo new parser test. Let's add winnow. And I'm gonna just copy this. Talk about Rust being verbose. It's, if you guys talking about the thing that I just saw, the long ass the type thing, I guess that's just the macro generated code. If you're talking about that part, I don't know what you mean by Rust being verbose. Parser that does nothing, I feel called out. And everyone is actually just a parser. You just do nothing. Alright, let's run it. It did nothing as promised, so I like it. So yeah, do nothing parser, parse next, takes the input. Yeah, input is that, output is empty. Okay, cool. Awesome. That's the end of the chapter. Good enough. Chapter 2, tokens and tags. What is your honest opinion about Go? I don't like I don't know if you... Yeah, I think you were on the stream, right? I don't like the implicit generic... No, not the generic. Implicit interface thing that we discovered. Not discovered, it's there, but we didn't know. We didn't read the documentation, so we kind of discovered that implicit traits are just function names, and like if the function name is the same, then it means that it's implemented, but it's not really like explicit. Like in Rust, you don't have impl blocks for the struct and like impl blocks for the trait implementation. So I didn't like that. I think that's a bad pattern. That's just a very hard thing to catch if you don't know what you're doing. And my honest opinion is I just need to try it out a bit more, I think. But so far I didn't like it that much. I'm not talking about the syntax and all. I think the syntax and stuff like that is fine, but some things are they felt a bit weird. I need to take a look at it again and maybe write some Go. So yeah. Type signature being a long list of types feels too abstract. Bro, did you check out Bone? I think Bone creates like that, creates stuff like that too, right? Because I remember it from the Tachion effects. I mean, it has like lots of generated stuff. I think that's just normal. That's the price that you gotta pay for abstracting some things. I don't know if I will be able to find it here. I fixed this in 3.0. That's awesome, man. That's really good to hear, because that thing was really scary. You cannot find it right now, but you know what I mean, like the long ass generated types and stuff like that. I don't know if I can find an example here, but yeah, builder. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Yep. If you fix this, that's awesome. I haven't read the blog post, but that's really great. So yeah, I don't know how you fixed it, or I don't know if you mentioned it in the blog post, but I think that's a very useful thing to mention. Yeah. Is that generated? Is it a macro? I'm guessing this is like a what is it called? Yeah, I think it's a macro. Yeah, but I'm not sure. Vitaly is your guy. Just ask him. Fix the comparison in the blog post. You can push your word rustlang in the blog post. Okay, I'll check it out. I'm gonna actually wear the t-shirts. Hold on. Getting cold, and I have a really nice t-shirt, so why not wear it, you know? I don't know how I look on the camera right now. You know, I get this nice t-shirt, so gotta wear that. All right. Tokens and tags. The simplest useful parser you can write is one which matches tokens. Stream provides some core operations to help with parsing. For example, to process a single token, you can do this. Okay, input next token. What is next token? Is it coming from? Oh, it's coming from stream. Nice shirt. Thank you, man. It has quite a backstory of this with this t-shirt. I'll talk about it one day maybe. Really nice memories. Create stream. So this is giving us the next token function, and when you call it parse prefix, is it just giving us a char? Next token? No, it's a self token. So what is it? Parse next. So the input is this, and then we're calling it here. Output will be 0. This extraction of a token is encapsulated in the any parser. Any parse next input. Alright, using the high level any parsers, parse prefix to the helpers on the. Okay, I'm getting really confused with this chapter, but let's try to understand it. Any verify. Matching a single token literal is common enough that the parser is implemented for the char type. Oh, okay. So these are the 3 different ways. You can either call next token and match on the char. You can call parse next and match on the char, or you can simply call verify, or you can just call the method on the char. Interesting. That is very flexible. Right, stream also supports processing slices of tokens. Expected is this string input len expected len input len is okay. Next slice. All right. Where do you actually check the? Oh, I see. You just go like two chars into, like you progress two chars into a string, and then you check if it's the expected one, and then if it is, then you just return it. Okay, matching the input position against a string. But okay, tags. Where is the tags usage? Matching the input position against a string literal is encapsulated in the literal parser. So instead of char, you can use a literal. Like for a single token, matching a string literal is common enough that parser is implemented for the string str type. So you can just do this, or like do this to make it very explicit and very simple. Okay, the token for additional individual and token slice parsers. Okay, we have any, literal, none of, one of. Oh, I didn't know we could do this on the Rust docs. That's nice. Just discovered it by mistake. All right. Take till. Okay, some stuff to look at, I guess. Character classes. Selecting a single char on a literal is fairly limited. You want to select one of several chars of a specific class, like digits. You use one of parser. So one of these, and then you parse next. Okay. One of might look straightforward. A function returning a value that was parser. Returns a function, returns a parser, taking a stir, and returning a p result. Alright, I guess this is needed because we will combine parsers. So, okay. Some character classes common enough that named parser is provided. Line ending, new line tab. Okay, what is this? Is it in, okay, ASCII. Oh, we have methods for everything, basically. Okay, so take while, parse next. Divide this first by using the hex digit. So for now we have ASCII module, token module, and all of these functions actually return. This one returns a p result. These ones return a p result as well. So everything is actually very integratable into each other. That's nice. Chapter 3. Sequencing and alternatives. In the last chapter we saw how to create parser using pre-built parsers. In this chapter we explored two other widely used features, sequencing and alternatives. So we want to create more interesting parsers. We can sequence them together. So you have a parse prefix, parse digits, and then you first parse the prefix. You get the prefix from the, prefix, and then this is just parsing them in order. What else we can do? We can create a tuple and then call parse next on it. So it first parses the prefix and then digits. Okay, but is it in order? Frequently we won't cover later. Okay, so preceded. What is this? I cannot go to this much. So sequence to parses, only returning the output from the second. See also sec to generalize this across any number of fields. So it first runs the first one and then gives the output to the second one, I guess. In this case, Or no. I see. Oh wow, there are lots of different variations. Sequence combinators. Parse series all parse variables discarding those you specify. Terminated. Parse two values, discarding the second value. I like this. Yeah. Sometimes we might want to choose between two parsers and we're happy with either being used. To retry a parse result, we can save a stream checkpoint and later restore the parser back to that position with stream reset. What? Called checkpoint. Oh my god. So you basically can go and back in the parser. That's very useful, but I don't know if I'm right now super smart enough to actually use that in my app. But okay, let me check the stream. Okay, it's still running. Alright, so opt is the parser that encapsulates this pattern of retry on failure. What do you mean? Okay, all things if else if letter. I'm just gonna continue. Parser with custom return types. So far we see mostly functions that take an stir and return a p result. Splitting string into smaller strings and characters is certainly useful, but not the only thing winnow is capable of. A useful operation when parsing is to convert between types. For example, parsing from stir and another primitive like usize. All we need to do for our parser to return a different type is to change the type parameter of p result to the desired return type. So, okay, you can basically create a struct and use that in the p result, and it will try to create that struct from the input, I guess. One winnow native way of doing a type conversion is to use the parser parse to combinator to convert from a successful parse to a particular type using from stir. Following code converts from string containing a number to usize. So it returns the p result with usize. Parse to parse next. Alright. Sounds good. Repetition. I think this will be useful. Parse digits. Okay, it's just a manual repetition there. So with the repeat, you specify the numbers of repeats, and then this is very interesting. So for starting from 0 and terminates when it sees a comma, I think. I don't know how many people watching actually. 3. Okay, we are kind of stream status good. Okay. We'll close it. Repeat. It isn't collecting directly into a vector, but anything that implements the accumulate trait to gather the results. This lets us to make more complex parsers. Right, accumulate. Alright, just moving on. Parsers we've been working with look like. Okay, just about errors, error reporting. I think I'll check this out later because it's kind of long. Chapter 8, debugging. Oh, features, debug. It gives you a list of stuff. That's interesting. You can extend your own parser to show up by wrapping their body with trace. Nice. I guess that's it. We just went through the winnow tutorial. So I should be ready to parse some stuff now. Let's actually try to do something. I'm gonna move this thing over to... Oop, what did I do? The terminal. Alright. Guys, are you still watching? Am I able to stream today? Yeah. It shows 3, but I think it's not correct. 1 second, I'm gonna check the stream on my phone. Right, so I wanna run some examples actually. Listening idly. Okay, fine. So CSS, there's a CSS example. Text color, parse peak. Oh, this is a nice example. X primary take file to... Oop. Oh, what is this? It has some undercase over here. Initialize a struct or tuple out of a sequences of parser. Oh. So these fields can exist to run a parser but ignore the result. That's actually quite convenient because you can just define a struct here and define another function, just call that function for each field. That's very clever. So each function call takes like 2 characters from the thing, from the input. Oh, nice. Well, there's another example here. Okay, so I want to actually parse a version string. So, for example, this is from Arch, by the way. This is one of the tooling libraries that we have, and we have I think package name in the types, and I want to write a parser for it. Name, let's see, because right now there is where is it? Oh, there is this regex check, and I don't like it. Packaging names may contain. Okay, actually, I'm not sure if we can write a parser for it. There must be something else that we can actually write a parser for it. There's the package var. This is kind of better. A package var wraps a string, which is guaranteed to only contain alphanumeric characters, but not start with a this, that, or that, and to be one character long. So this is a good case for just writing a parser actually. So I'm gonna try to do that. I'm going to create a new example here because I think that's easy. Or maybe I will create a new tab here. I'm gonna go to winnow. Or let's what should I do? Okay, cargo new parser test. Parser test. Let me add winnow. And let me add the most basic one, or maybe I can add this one. Or okay, you know what? Let's define the struct. So what is the package version? What does it contain? What the hell? This is not like a summer. This is more like the very weird format. I'm not sure if there's any other one that I can work on. Oh, this is actually better. The packager one. The packager is this string, right? And it contains a name, an email. Yeah, this one. So let's actually copy this over. For now, email address can be string too. And I need an example value, for example, this one. So let input, this will be the input. And I'm gonna give this thing to winnow and get the output. So let me get the function signature. Parse packager and then it will return packager. We will do this. So packager, I'm gonna have name and email, and for each of these fields I'm gonna define other parsers. For example, parse name, and this will return a string, and also parse email will return a string. Import the p result, fix the typo. What is going on? Import the macro, get the prelude in. So, how do I parse it? Taking a look at this example, I see that I need to actually read this second one. So is it like consuming? So it's gonna parse the first part and then the second part. I am not sure. I need to see some other examples. Okay, take while sounds like something that we want to have. Or some Rust. Look at this function signature, man. Just imagine parsing this with a parser. So, category. This is actually quite good because I can just adopt this into my parser, because email is just something between these characters, right? Yeah. Why is it complaining? Unwrap it? Wait. Oh, I need to parse it from a string. But okay, just map. Why are you complaining, bro? You wait. Okay, I'm not sure I understood this. Oh, it's taking a stream. So how do you call this actually? Okay. I'm gonna take a look at the delimited example. Let's see. Take while. Take a look at that example. Just trying to figure out stuff by looking at the examples. Maybe I need to take it as a U8. Oop, not this one. Forget about the name. Okay, let's not forget about the name. I need to figure out how to do this. Separated pair. I don't think I need that. Let me take a look at something more like basic maybe. But I like how descriptive the syntax is. You almost understand what's going on. Like it's quite nice. Yeah, look at this parse hex. So almost understand, yeah. Like it almost makes me feel like I'm smart or something. Okay, oh, come on. So try map. This is returning a parser of stir error. Okay. We also have Let's have it explicit. So type wise, you don't know what this is. Why is that? Let me try to understand what's going on. So we're trying to parse this string and get, yeah, okay, so the first part is taking everything, like this thing, this line is just parsing everything until the right arrow, and delimited is for getting the whole thing. And then what do we want to do? What is the error? Oh, it's expecting a result string but gets a call. So okay, let's just do this properly then. Let's just turn it into a string. Okay, now what do you complain about? Expect a U8 array. What? Just copy the example. What do you mean? I don't understand this. Okay, I'm just gonna turn the string, whatever. Actually, the CSS one was pretty easy, like pretty understandable. I don't know why I'm struggling here. What happens if I just copy this? Okay, it expects a string and context error. But got U8. Debugging this is hard. I see. It's a bit of the error messages are a bit weird because there's some unrelated stuff in there. I wanted to tell me that you're not using the right type, but instead it tells me something like you need to return this error from this function. Like, it doesn't really make sense. But what the hell, man? I don't get it. I'm gonna just copy the empty parser somewhere. Where is the tutorial? I don't like this because it keeps complaining. I actually didn't have to look at the tutorial for this, but anyways. I really don't understand it actually. It takes a string. Maybe I need to use a stir here. Yo, Bartek, how's it going? I'm just gonna call as bytes on it. I don't care. No, we cannot do this. Do I need to call parse next on this? No, right? No. We're just trying to write a parser, by the way. I want to learn a bit of winnow. I saw a talk 2 days ago, and it seemed kind of cool. So I'm trying to write my own little parser, and struggling, as always. Bro, I just received a response from one of the recruiters. I've been applying for coding jobs from August. The position is junior AI developer. What? What is junior AI developer? What are you... What? Is it Python? Or like... What kind of a job are you looking for? I've been applying weekly, hour on a weekend. Damn. On LinkedIn? I don't know what this is, but it's a programming job. I mean... Junior AI developer, that's something that I've never heard, like... Kind of weird. And from August, you say? That's just what happened in between. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, fuck. I'm from Poland, so on the local service is linked as well. Oh, I see. Oh, I need to call parse peak on this. Probably not. Okay, I think I'm just gonna try the stream input. Oops. No one wants me. No, my main focus is of course frontend, but at that point I will take anything. Just get work experience. Been coding for 5 years, so I don't know why people are not responding to my applications. Are you applying to like big companies or like startups, or what kind of companies are you, or what kind of projects are you applying to? Because it highly depends on the type of thing that you're looking for. If you're not getting any response from big companies, that maybe that's expected a bit, or maybe that's bad for them, I don't know, but it depends. Hello Lucas, how's it going? Welcome. I'm applying to anything, bro. Maybe that's why. I mean, if you apply to anything, they probably after some point stop like caring, because you're like all over the place. I don't know. 5 years of commercial programming, front-end, back-end, help desk, IT admin. Maybe you're just on a blacklist, bro. Maybe they just put you on a blacklist. Oh, this is weird because we know. Maybe I'm using a different version. No. Right, which version of winnow I'm using here? Version? Where's the version? Okay, I'm using the same version. I don't know. I also got curated CVs for each position. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, as I said, maybe you're just blacklisted, man. And maybe that's why. But I hope you are not. Are you applying to Rust stuff? Sorry, I just gotta ask that question, you know. Something is really weird, man. I don't understand. Bro, I cannot return anything from this function. It's impossible. What do you mean? I don't understand this error message. I'm gonna search for it. I'm just probably making some beginner mistake. Try map is hard to use. Yes. No, it's not about what I'm trying to do. Or maybe I can just map it. Oh, try map. I finally figured out how to get Wi-Fi names on new version of macOS. Very painfully, damn, that OS is turning to be next Windows. Wi-Fi names on, what do you mean? On the menu or what? That's, if that is that hard, that, yeah, man, I don't know what to say. But like, can you explain what are you trying to do? Oh, Wi-Fi names, you mean like on the net scanner? Oh, got it. Got it, okay. I'm using Arch but need to add support for macOS into a net scanner. How did you do it? How did you end up doing it? I'm guessing it will ask for some permissions, right? Man, I don't understand the take while thing. Cannot use it. Take file. Delete emitter. Forgot to call a function. Which function? Yeah, this one I'm not calling it on purpose. UTF-8. Oh yeah, you're right, dude. Oh my god. It doesn't really change anything. What do you mean mismatched type? U8 and Xer. Stream. Okay, what in the world? Come on, I'm making some beginner mistake. There. Oh my god. How am I supposed to fix this? Maybe I should use take until. Average Rust type system experience. Yeah, man. Like what? Okay, okay, I'm not gonna call this one. I'm just gonna call parsing email string and input. Okay, just call this one, and this also fails. Like, I need to read the streams. Not this one, but the module. Oh, you cannot construct a stream from a string. No, the other way around. So it should be wow. What are you missing now? Lifetime? Oh my god, this is gonna be... What are you... Oh, I forget to move this. Okay. And then what? But it's still complaining. Stream is gonna start freezing a lot very soon because my laptop started using the fans, which means something is running in the background. Try remember making a parse email string mutable. Oh really? Is that about that? Nope. Lifetime A required. Maybe I shouldn't use take while. Why am I using it? I think I know what's going on here. It should be not a char, but a U8. I'm gonna take a step back. I think I'm just stuck here, and I'm just making circles. By the way, macOS and support is airport CLI tool. You need to add permission to CL location because you may use Wi-Fi names like geolocation. There was no other way to scan Wi-Fi's in CLI without using Objective-C. Oh my god, that sounds super painful. Need to bind the input that and output. Yeah, but I actually don't want to use. I'm not sure if I want to use the static or like stir here. I don't think that's what I want here. I just want to wait. There's a char. Let me look at some other examples actually. The CSS one is super nice. because it's very simple. Okay, so what is this? This is the wrong completion, but let's try it. Take a while. Yeah, that worked. You know, sometimes you just gotta remove the code and rethink your steps, I guess. So it requires a lifetime though. Well, let's put the lifetime there. It's fine. Problem is I don't see the code because of this chat window. Okay, let's run it. What happens? Okay, context error. So what was the trace thing that we need to add? Can just add trace to everything. Just unwrap it maybe. Okay, let's put the trace on this test. What did I do? Here. Okay, run it. How do I get the trace output? Maybe just unwrap. No. Features winnow debug. Okay. So not the Naples prison. Yeah, we're just in the prison. Trying to write parsers. Alright, this is good. I like the output. By the way, just for context, we're writing a parser in the prison. So how do I read this? So goes to delimited, and then you guys see, do you guys hear the alarm? There's some alarm going on in the prison. I guess some people just trying to escape. It happens. I'm just used to it. Oh, it looks for the... Okay, I need to parse the name first, so... Yeah. Oh, did it work? Oh my god, it worked. Holy shit. So, this will read until the left arrow, and the next part, you read the contents. And that works. But I think the test case was a bit... It had more stuff in there. So, for example... this thing is not optional, actually. No. Okay, this is it. Well, we want to have the email actually parsed using what is this? Email address struct. So email address now things will get a bit complicated because everything is like these things are not allocated. No, I think it should be fine though. Email address. So I need to do something like email address, right? And here, how can I parse it? I need to kind of map the result of the parser into the email address. It's not really possible with this. So maybe I can return it from here. Email address. So this returns a string. This is wrong. And how do I parse an email address from string? That worked. So what I need to do is just handle this error. I need to see an example of that. If I remember correctly, chapter 1 or chapter 2 had one example where it returns customer. Yeah, this one's. Payment from error kind, input error kind token. So map error. And here I want to do something like that. Get rid of these guys over there. Okay, from rustlang. from error kind. What are the available error kinds? Cert, token, tag, alt many. Yeah, I'll just try with fail then. And yeah, something like this maybe. Huh. How can I retain the error though? I don't know. Parser. I want to return a customer. Okay, customers. So as a context, how to promote on Mastodon? I'll just create an empty account there. Just takes time, man. You just gotta post there regularly. Very much like Twitter and other social platforms. But you can follow some Rust accounts and they will probably follow you back. Follow me and I'll follow you back, and then, you know, build an audience there. It's like Twitter from zero, like from scratch. No, not from scratch, but from ground zero. Also by other people boosting your posts. Yeah, so you gotta... I mean, I tried, like... I was doing DevRel for some startup in the past, and they want to use Mastodon. So I experimented a bit with the hashtags and so on, with like a clean account, no followers, nothing, just posting there with hashtags, and yeah, we were posting using Buffer, so I was just scheduling posts and Buffer was just posting them daily with the hashtags and code snippets and so on, you know, the usual format. And then Mastodon actually banned us because we were just posting regularly with 0 followers. I guess that was kind of weird, but I understand that because, yeah, like an organic account. So try to follow the people that you already know and build up your follower list first, and then start posting there, I guess. Mastodon and Blue Sky are just Twitter copies, yes. I fucking hate it, man. Like, to be honest with you, I have an audience on Twitter now, and everyone is moving to Blue Sky, and now I need to do the same efforts on Blue Sky to build an audience, and oh my god. I wish Twitter was just fine. Like, I wish it was not fucked up by this, by the recent things. Like, oh my god. Now there are like clones everywhere. There will be something else tomorrow, and then you gotta do the same thing on that platform. Why, man? Add context is a bit too much for me. A parser error, I need to check that one. Parser. Okay. No. I need to construct a customer. Add context. There's no example of this. It's a bit weird. Context error. Is not what I want. For the most part, but at least without the Twitter magical algorithms. Twitter magical algorithms is just boosting certain political and like certain people. But they are just, I don't know. They don't work in favor us most of the time. That's what I don't like about Twitter. I need to see an example of add context actually. Can I just see an example? Okay, error, add context. Alright, so that's a bit advanced though. I don't know. That's not what I want. I want just add like a string or stir to the context and that's it. There is this one. I don't know how to add this. So different types. Context error context. I don't know, man. Just gonna ignore it for now, I guess. No, not this one. What am I doing? Here. I don't get the hate about Twitter. For sure, Musk's tweets just get thrown into your face there. But I just don't look at For You tab and look at Following tab. Orhun 192 plus 1 followers on Blue Sky. Gotcha, man. I'll check it out after the stream. Yeah, Twitter is... I don't like Twitter because they changed the algorithm and you can basically tell that. Like, I know that I'm posting something interesting and it doesn't really it doesn't really end up on people's feeds for some reason. I have a couple of friends who told me that, who asked me why am I not tweeting stuff, but then I was tweeting daily, maybe twice a day, so they were not seeing it. They had to go to my profile to see those things. Even in followers, no, not the, even in like following tab probably, I don't know. It just sometimes doesn't work, and if you post memes, you just end up in everyone's feed, which makes people think that, you know, you're just gonna post memes and that's how you build an audience. And then you have a lot of followers and then, yeah, whatever. So context error cause none. I need to read the error handling chapter because I skipped that and I'm kind of struggling because of that. Yeah, there we have it. All I need to do is just add a context. Mastodon instances feel more like an open source community should be, though of course it isn't without its own drawbacks and downsides. Yeah, I like the federated social media things, like everyone hosts their own instance, and then you have these little parts where people can use like a blogs or like a social media or like a chat instance, and then it's like all small things and then hosted by people. It's nice, but not a lot of people use those. Just in the tech, or like, I mean, just imagine a junior AI developer, right? A junior AI developer just learned Python and like doing AI stuff, making 150K a year, whatever. Just a junior AI developer. Do you think he will go into some obscure like Lemmy instance and do stuff there, like a do you think they will just host their own federated social service? I don't think so. They will probably use Twitter, because I mean, why would you just bother with setting up things and like trying to connect with people and then stuff like that? It's just too much work. Just use Twitter, follow Elon Musk, follow the whatever drama people, and then you're set. You know, not everyone is there, but maybe I want to reach out to them in some ways, and I want them to see my work and give me some like, not much, just 50K per year for me to do open source. You gotta reach those people as well. So I don't know. You see what I'm trying to say? Like, does it make sense? I'm not sure if Twitter already implemented this, but on Mastodon you can properly follow hashtags. Yeah, on Blue Sky you can actually create custom feeds. So you want to see like Rust stuff, you just create the Rust feed, and other people can subscribe to your feed. So you can customize that, which is, I think, cool. I haven't tried it yet. I don't know how it works, but I saw some people following custom feeds. So there was one guy, I think he showed me there was one feed he subscribed, and the feed was about like, on the feed every day something is posted, and then some posts were just collected, and there was a theme for the feed, and you're supposed to try and like you're supposed to find out what it is or something, like a challenge. So on that feed you see some posts every day, and you're like trying to figure out what it is about and what is the theme or whatever the hell, I don't remember. But it was quite a fun game, and I would probably host the terminal or tooling or like TUI feed on Blue Sky if I wanted to. So yeah, very nice feature, I think. And check the live stream health. You're streaming since okay, almost 2 hours. Oh my god, I'm trying to write a parser for 2 hours. Jesus. Alright, so just gonna add the label. What is gonna happen now? we have the context available for parser. We don't have it for actually this one, but I'm gonna try it out anyways. Trying to register let me and shows that JSON captcha incorrect. Yeah. Trying to figure out the error reporting here, but I think it's good progress because I'm able to parse it now. Oh, there's one issue, which is there's a empty space here. How do I trim that? There's no trim. I can just trim it here, I guess. Map. Just trim it. Yeah. That's nice, man. I like it. The API is nice. I struggled a bit because I was trying to use string, but I just had to use stir. So after using stir, we're fine. Okay. Guys, do you have any questions for me? I think I'm gonna go now. It was quite fun. I was not expecting to finish the parser, to be honest. Just wanted to learn a bit about it. Yeah, parser does no locations, but you should have just told me. Like, I was trying to use string. That's why. Well, using string is fine, but I was trying to use the string in the parser for some reason, like with the UTF stuff. Now what I do is I don't use that. I just parse it as like a stir and then convert it to email address. Really, right there. Hold on. There's some. Wait. Let me actually close the editor because it's just freezing. The stream is freezing. Is what I'm trying to say. 1 second. Node is running in the background because of the copilot. Fuck, you know. Okay. Now we should be good. Yep. 1 second. I'm gonna. Okay. So, oh my god, fuck this chair. I'm reading Prison. I'm reading this book. Don't give me spoilers, please. The Italian. And for the book that I finished, book review video, I need to edit it and then publish it. I can give you spoilers after I finish editing a bit. But Kden Live is nice. I just realized that I have no internet connection. Come on. Alright, am I still live? Because I see there are like lots of dropped frames. I guess I'm still live, but it's freezing a lot. Stream froze. Yeah, prison. Oh, I'm boiling prison tea with your internet cable. Yeah. Guys, they probably figured out that I'm streaming, so okay. It's back. Are you guys still watching? Can someone say something? It's now all green again. I don't know what happened. I think rats were just chewing on the Ethernet cable. but it should be good now. Right? Dropped frame is like I have 23k dropped frames. Crazy. But anyways, what were we talking about? I don't know. I don't remember. I just want to say goodbye. This stream was more productive than I was expecting. I gotta be honest here. I wasn't expecting to write the parser actually. One second. Technical difficulties, more like technical calamities. Yeah, man. So when parser will surprise Pikachu. Yeah. I was a bit tired today. I was just doing push-ups in my cell the whole day, so not really expecting to get that thing working, you know. I have a mini bar. God damn it, it's not a fucking mini bar, but give me a second. I have some. This place is too crowded. I have a mini bar, but it doesn't have anything in it, and it's not working. It's not even plugged in. I think it's broken. Bro, look at this place. I'm gonna actually do a quick tour. Can probably do it. You have ratatui branded headphones. Yeah, I mean, these are, you know. There you go. I like merch, so we got the ratatui branded headphones. What do I want to do? I want to show you around, but I think if I touch the cable, we might get cooked. So, wait. The cable, I mean the camera. I'll try my best, guys. Oh my god. Alright. Here we go. Fucking chair. Wait. Alright. This is a real IRL stream now. There you go, guys. I'm gonna show you the window, which opens to nowhere. So, wait. Oh shit, I touched again. Alright, we're back. So window. Oh, look at this. Wait, let me get rid of this thing. Window, right? You open it. There's another window. Hell yeah, man. And it opens to nothing. Like complete emptiness. Like there's no sunlight coming inside of this room, so you never know if it is like I hope you hear me. It is like morning or night. We got a little prison theme toilet, you know what I'm saying? banyo. Okay, it's hard to show it, like toilet, whatever. Literally prism. Hell yeah, man. Literally, oh my god, oh shit. Literally a cell. Yeah, that's what that's why the stream is titled like that. It's a cell. All right. Ask me anything. This is how we do live streams now. It's like more like intimate because I'm sitting on the bed, you guys watching me, and I'm looking at the prison bars. You know how it is. Should I do like a sleeping stream or whatever that shit is called? Why you not sleep? Why you not asleep? Streaming how Orhun sleeps 8 hours straight. Hell yeah, guys. Alright, I'm gonna actually sleep. This is gonna be like a sleeping stream. Alright, should I actually do it? just as a proof that I'm sleeping 8 hours. Some people say that Rust developers do not sleep. Nah, bruh. You sleep in 18 hours. So, I had a interview with one of the big Rust companies. Orhun single in a room with his internet friends. Bro, you know what? I felt so lonely. You know what I did? Alright, I'm gonna actually share this. I didn't want to share it, but wait, let me actually tell you the story first. I realized there's a little bit of delay on this. Hold on, I'm gonna change my camera. Alright, I have 10% of battery. Maybe if I can find somewhere to plug this in. No, there isn't anywhere to plug. Okay, so I had an interview with one of the big Rust projects companies, and then the interviewer said that she asked if I'm a big sleeper, because she apparently wakes up at like 12 or like 1. They want me to also kind of be flexible on that regard. So that was a weird interview, man. Like, why would you like kind of why would you ask that? Doesn't really matter. Like, anyways, so Rust people, they sleep. I know that they sleep because I had a personal experience, and I was going to say that I felt a bit lonely here, so trying to make internet friends these days on some platforms, they do not work, man. They do not work. I'm trying to hack them a bit, but they are like, no. Get paid to oversleep. Where can I get the stream job? And you know what? The salary was 120k per year. 120k, bro. Crazy. Of course, that turned out to be a bit of a lie, but anyways, we don't talk about this company. Some people watching, they already know. Some people watching, no one knows. Like, some people in my life, they know, but they are not watching the stream anyways. They want you to work at night, maybe. Yeah, probably, or probably not. I don't know. No one understands Rust around you like we do. Yeah, you're right. I have to find some Rust friends, but they are not real, dude. They are just internet people like you guys. You guys, I don't know. Like, I don't know if Transistor is like. I don't think he exists. I think he has like a AI, Like I think he is just AI. Like you can't be. No man, you can't make good puns and good jokes all the time. Like that should not possible. Like there should be some like errors and like some human errors in that, you know. Like he's just too smart. I don't get it. A quick question: realistically, what does it take to get a recommendation for an Arch maintainer? How hard is it? Do you mean like a sponsorship for becoming an Arch maintainer? What does it take to get a recommendation for an Arch maintainer? Okay, maybe you're asking that, but let me know. 1 second. I'll try to find a plug because I'm running out of battery. Back, just a cell, so it shouldn't take long. Go from here to there. Oh my god, there's no plug here. Guys, we're going back to the table. Oh my god, it's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. No, it didn't fall. Alright. I'm gonna ask for the Arch question, by the way. What does it take to get a recommendation? So I think you need to first have some packages that you already maintain, and then try to contact some people, some maintainers, ask them if they would be interested in sponsoring you, introduce yourself, have personal relationships. It's like social engineering, man. Like to be honest with you, this is just social engineering. Making friends overall is, I think, social engineering. So you know, make friends with them, like ask them if they would be interested, and like be active in the community, and it should just happen. But you shouldn't focus on becoming a maintainer. You should focus on contributing to Arch, and then it happens. If making a few puns is all it gets to make an AI, then Altman should give us our money back. I mean, not just puns, but like Vitaly said, your grammar is too perfect. Your grammar is, man, it's all about the grammar. You know what I realized? To understand if some sentence or something is AI generated, what you can do is actually take a look at the single quotes. Maybe you guys already know this. Maybe I'm just making a fool of myself, but take a look at the single quotes. If it's like tilted, that's AI generated. If it's like single quote with like a vertical one with no tilt, that's handwritten. But if it's tilted, that's be careful with that. 100% agree. Social engineering. I'm kind of active and I do maintain some packages. I do contribute to. Just thinking here about applying for a maintainer. I do maintain some AUR packages. That should be enough. I mean, when I applied, I had 1,000. No, fuck, not 1,000. 100, like 150 packages or 100 packages, and I already knew Sven and Antrax, so they kind of agreed to sponsor me. They knew me because I contacted them a couple of months back, and then I gave a talk at the ArchConf, on like an online talk, and then yeah, they knew me, and then I asked for sponsorship, and it happened. What is better than Title for Hacker News? Next Gen Builder Macro Bone 3.0 release, revolutional type state design, or revolutional type state design next gen. What the hell, dude? Too much emojis, hard to read. You're gonna create drama with that title for sure. What was that? Some weird stuff happening outside. Just gonna create so much drama with that title. I think next gen builder macro is good enough. Writing text is much easier though. I totally break down, forget words, etc. when actually speaking. Yeah, I sometimes criticize myself a lot because of my speaking, and I should, because it's what I do professionally. What the hell is that? Like professionally, I just speak to people, like talk to people, like speak in an audience and talk to people. I mean, bro, I don't understand some people because they're like, main language is English and they don't use it that well. Like, bro, I had to go through fucking how many courses and then like how many practices to actually be able to speak, and your main language, your mother language is English, and you're not even speaking that perfectly. You gotta, yeah, anyways, that was the hot take. Whatever, it's fine. Everyone can make mistakes. No blazing fast is this even a Rust title? Yeah. Blazing fast, next gen, builder macro, code generator, type system, enhancer, Bone 3.0, major, deluxe, premium edition release. Couple of emojis, rocket emoji, put the crab emoji in between words. You know, at the end, put the 100, like 300s, like 300, and should be ready. Rocket speaks for blazing fast. No, bro, you didn't put the crab emoji. Come on, doesn't work like that. I mean, I wish, but nah. 1 second, I'm gonna check the stream health. I don't think no one's watching the stream apart from you guys. I'm not complaining, by the way. I like the stream way better when no one is here, because I can just talk shit and no one cares. One second. I'm really happy because the internet is back. Like I said, in the morning there was like nothing, bro. Like fucking crazy. I was actually panicking. Like, what do I do now? I don't have any communication with the outer world. Like, sorry, I have no communication with the real world. Like, what am I gonna do? All right, how many people watching? 3. That's very good. Average view duration is 6 minutes. Alright guys, why real world when you have Rust? I think we're taking a bit too far with the Rust and real world memes, because Rust is my world, alright? Don't make a lot of jokes about that, because you're kind of offending me. I mean, if there was no Rust, there was no me, alright? Okay, that was kind of cringe. But we were talking about the future of the languages the other day, and I think something will eventually replace Rust, you know? Rust is not going to be there forever, because something better will be there in 50 years. You're not, if you think Rust will be around in like 50 years, that's it. Okay, let me rephrase. If you think Rust will be the #1 meme language and #1 the blazingly fast language in 50 years, you're kind of, maybe it will be, by the way. Just thought about it, and yeah, man. Okay, fuck it. Yeah, all right. Rust is good, man. Rust, I love it. My viewers are just bots or figments. Best stream, 10 out of 10. Bro, there are no bots apart from you in the stream, all right? No offense, but you know how it is. What's the point in life for you though? Right now, the only point is to just go home, bro. That's the only point. Like point in life, or maybe that's the purpose of my life right now. But fuck it, the purpose and the point of my life is right now is to just be able to just I want to be fucking out. I want to go to home and have a normal window. I don't want to look into a prison cell, prison fucking bars on the shit. The whole IT probably changed beyond recognition in less than 20 years. Yes. There won't be no Rust in 20 years, maybe 30. All right, let's make it 20. There will be something else, something maybe. Yes, all right. In 20 years, send me this stream, clip that, put it in your calendar, schedule it for from now on 20 years. Send it to me in my email. Why doesn't my... Okay, let me actually... Oh, I'm really tired now. Why doesn't my phone keyboard have the Rust crab fairs blazing fast turbo mega pro emoji? Blasphemy. Oh man. Buy a new phone. Cassie Muratori said almost no rule or principle holds for that long. Who's that? I don't know. Just looking. Can I get a summary, please? We'll see. I don't know. So yeah, Rust. I'm waiting for my laptop to charge so that I can just go to the window and then have an actual bed stream. Just a guy talking about code, performance, and compilers. Okay. Got the what emoji is that, bro? The dragon, the bubble fish, the squid, shark, but no crab. Is there any programming language that is associated with the shark? I think that would be a cool language. You know, shark as a logo. Shark is cool. Or squid. But guys, I'm having headaches now. I gotta go. On God, if you actually do a sleep stream, I will unscribe so hard. Oh man, no. I'm gonna just go. Sharklang. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Tomorrow, same hour, we're gonna do this thing again. Probably. Life is hard. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow, but just chill probably. I'm gonna place the laptop over there so that I can sit on the bed. So thanks for tuning in, everybody. These streams are just super random. I don't know what to say or what to do, but I think today was kind of okay. I struggled a lot, which means we are on the grind. You know, grind is not about writing the code and just calling it a day, but grind is actually about struggling, suffering, and then not quitting, not giving up. So as my good friend Rafael says, never give up and get hydrated. That's it from me, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great night. Have a great day. And just know that if you are able to see outside, if you have a window which you can see the sun, see the clouds, just know that that's very precious. because I cannot do that right now. I cannot. Love you all. Peace. Bye. Subscribe and hit the bell. Join the GitHub sponsors on Discord. I'm gonna send a link now. A real quick plug. Alright, I'm gone. Bye. Wrong scene. Goodbye, everybody.